Regards, my name is Alexander Ramirez. I am a student of industrial engineering. I am going to present my visit to one of the seven wonders of the world, Machu Picchu. Dear family, I am enjoying this time here in Peru. In this photo, I am visiting of the most beautiful places, Machu Picchu. It is a beautiful city built by Incas many years ago. It is amazing and ancient. This city has a wonderful architecture and it is very big. It has different temples such as the Temple of the Sun. It is very inspiring to be on the top of a mount and observe the other mounts. I feel very excited to see all this nature around. What I like the most about this wonderful place is the architecture, and I like that it has a lot of history. I don't like to come to Machu Picchu when it is raining, but fortunately today it is sunny and I am wearing jeans, sneakers and the shoe. I wish you were sharing with me in this wonderful place. With lots of love, Alexander.